Saurabh, Salman Khan due at the courthouse any time now. Are the lawyers seeming hopeful given that the judgment is to be announced shortly?
Well, the judge has made it very clear that Salman Khan cannot be convicted on the basis of the evidence produced by the prosecution in court, and that should come as music to the lawyers of Salman Khan, because that in effect means that it is going to be an acquittal. But the formal pronouncement of this and the modalities of that acquittal will be discussed or will be read out in court once the actor arrives. The actor has already left for court, we are being told. His lawyers have informed the court that he's expected to be in court between 1 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. This morning, the Bombay High Court raised questions on the amendments to section 437, or specifically 437A of the Criminal Procedure Code, which requires the appellant accused to be present at the time of pronouncing an order when the case is even at the appeal stage and not at the trial stage. Salman Khan has appealed against his conviction for culpable homicide not amounting to murder and drunken driving in the Bombay High Court, and the Bombay High Court has made it clear that he cannot be convicted. So this is the big breaking news coming out of the Bombay High Court, that he cannot be convicted on the basis of the evidence produced by the prosecution. Now, over the last 3 days, the court has been discussing various elements of that evidence, and most importantly, the important witnesses in this case. Kamal Khan, a witness whose production in court was opposed by the prosecution. On that, the court says, well, since he was in the car, since he provided his address details to a court in 2008, the police might as well have got him to court as a witness so that the truth could be established. Another thing that the court raised question about was the prosecution's claim that Ashok Singh, the defense witness, the driver who claimed to have been driving the car that night, was a last-minute preparation by the defense in a bid to get Salman acquitted. The court held that no, this was not a last-minute bid. It was in time and appropriately done as per criminal procedure. So again, that argument of the prosecution also rejected by the Bombay High Court. The court also raised questions on various things. For example, the bills that were submitted to the court as evidence. Now, the court held that the manner in which these bills were collected, I beg your pardon, and the manner in which the entire process of evidence collection as far as these bills are concerned, the dating of the bills, the dates on which these bills were generated, all of that raises questions over the authenticity and points towards the fabrication of evidence.